In today's fast-paced world, a sluggish laptop can feel like an anchor, pulling you down and hindering your productivity. The simple act of formatting your laptop might just be the refresh it needs. But before you dive into this process, understanding why it matters and how to do it properly is crucial. This narrative will guide you through the essentials of laptop formatting, ensuring not only a boost in speed and performance, but also peace of mind. Formatting a laptop means erasing everything and starting fresh. This might sound daunting at first, but the benefits are undeniable. Increased speed, improved performance, and reduced clutter all contribute to an optimal computing experience. Imagine your laptop transforming from a sluggish machine to a fast and efficient workhorse, illustrating the stark difference through relatable visuals that show a slow laptop struggling versus a speedy one breezing through tasks. Before taking the plunge into formatting, backing up your data is paramount. Losing valuable data can be a nightmare, and it's vital to safeguard it before clearing everything away. Fortunately, there are several methods to preserve your precious files. Using cloud storage solutions like Google Drive, iCloud, or OneDrive offers safe and accessible options, whereas physical devices like USB drives or external hard drives provide a tangible backup method. For those seeking efficiency, tools like EaseUS To Do Backup can streamline the process. Now, with data safely stored, it's time to delve into the formatting process. Access the formatting option in your operating system. Choose the correct drive and select your preferred language. A key choice here is between quick format and full format, with each having its merits depending on your needs. Utilize screencast software like OBS Studio to follow on-screen actions seamlessly, adding a layer of confidence as you proceed. Remember, troubleshooting tips are your ally in case things don't go as planned. Upon completion, your laptop will feel like new, but the journey doesn't stop here. To maintain maximum speed, consider lightweight browser extensions, disable unnecessary startup programs, and manage storage using tools like CCleaner or CleanMyMac. For the tech-savvy, upgrading to an SSD or increasing RAM can further enhance performance. Concluding this enlightening journey, remember to engage with this content by liking, commenting, and subscribing for more comprehensive tech tips. And if this guide intrigued you, a related video awaits. How to keep your laptop running like new, where more secrets of maintaining a powerful laptop are revealed.